How to delete story in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete story in Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, and what you can do is just tap on your story to open the story that you have posted on Messenger. And now here, once you're inside the story, then you can simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you can just tap on delete, and from there you can just confirm it by tapping on delete again. And here, once the story is deleted, the story cannot be recovered. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.